Was wondering if anyone tried running GMV Max with manually selecting creatives. We noticed that GMV Max keeps assigning massive budget to old viral creatives with no longer deliver high volume of orders. Therefore, the CPO on those creatives is really high and basically just wasting budget instead of trying out new creatives. Something we've learned after a lot, and I mean a lot of testing, is that the auto select will always give you a better return than the manual select. Now, what's happening in your specific case is that the newer creatives that are being posted are simply not good enough, or there's not enough volume for them. The old creatives that were performing are then being pushed by GMV Max with whatever budget that you have set. And since the creatives are older, they've hit creative fatigue, which is why you're getting a high CPO. The solution is to simply get more high quality creatives posted by your creators. But there is one process that we follow internally, and I'd advise you to use the same. So the process works like this. Every time a video is posted, each and every creative is reviewed and then fed into GMV Max. We let GMV Max decide which creatives it wants to move into the delivering section, and we let it spend on them. Now, since we're reviewing every video that is posted, we're able to identify if a high quality creative wasn't picked up by the algorithm. If that's the case, we assign a set budget to those creatives and add a creative boost to give them a second shot. By the way, all of the content from our paid creators, whom we know are going to produce high quality content, we automatically assign them a set budget to be boosted. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is when you're looking at the GMV Max campaigns, you'll see that there are some videos that have a lower CPO but are still getting a lower spend. We want to do the same thing for those videos as well. Set aside a budget and assign a creative boost to them on a daily level. So basically, the right way to look at it is that you're not fighting against the algorithm. You're helping the algorithm to become better.